Hi friends! So today we are doing our annual family trip to the pumpkin farm, and it's a really nice fall day and we're going to walk around, do the usual things that we did in the past like 2 years vlog. We're going to see the hay maze and all the decorations and look for pumpkins. And yes, also like in the past month there's been like I think 10 or 11 more subscribers to my channel, so welcome. I'm Teresa Marie. Welcome to my channel. We have fun here. So yes, we're gonna go have some fun at the pumpkin farm. Here we are. We're at the pumpkin farm. Say hi, Jules. Hello. The giant pumpkins. Oh, it's windy. Oh my gosh, that's the winner. That's one of the biggest ones I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, that's one of the biggest ones I've ever seen, I think. Great pumpkin rising out of the pumpkin patch. It's corn.
By the time you got going, no, it was fine.
It's Jules, it's corn.
It's corn.
Hey, yeah, I can put the pictures into the video. Hey, look, it's my favorite play space from a kid, as when I was a kid. From when I was a kid. I can't talk today. That's okay, because we're here to look at pumpkins and stuff. Oh, Mom's saying hello to the llama.
Hello.
I feel like this llama is just looking at us like, are you kidding me?
The mama llama.
How cute. Mama llama.
Oh, the animals. Oh, look, the sheep are over there. Oh, good, the sheep are still here. Julian was like, where are the sheep? And I'm like, they're over there. And I'm just like, oh good, the sheep are still here.
Where are they? Oh, there they are.
Hello. The kids are getting a kick out of it. Oh look, there's another one way back there. I didn't even see you. Hello over there. He's nibbling. My mom is a llama whisperer. Look how content he is.
I am a llama mama.
You're a llama mama? Or is it an alpaca? Wait, how do you tell if it's a llama or alpaca? I don't know, maybe there's a sign somewhere. Excuse me, are you a llama or an alpaca? Oh, he just...
Oh,
The sheep
are still
is asleep.
here.
And the goat is ignoring me. Hello. There's more goats over there. Hello. 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 How are you? No, he doesn't. It will think you have food.
Eat off the ground and eat off the
Hey, how are you?
Oh, now Mom's a goat whisperer.
Oh, where are the babies? Oh, there's one coming down the...
It's like, where are the babies? The goat's like, I don't know, lady. Oh, look, he's coming down. I know, it's treacherous. That's how I am, like, coming down ramps and stairs and stuff. Oh, stop to itch.
Gotta hold the rail.
Come on down, Mr. Goat.
Hi, how cute.
supervision.
Here are the rules for the, for the hay maze, but there are a bunch of, like,
You could be hours.
like, there's supposed to be a C here for be courteous, and I was like, what is that word? There's no, oh my gosh, there's a bunch of letters missing. But anyway, shall we go in? Let's see.
We should.
1 year was kind of dumb, so hopefully. Oh, hello. This kid just like galloped by us. Let's see if we can find our way.
Then we have to stop so I can get a photo.
There he is.
We go this way. What? Mom's getting lost already. Whoa! Hi! We go this way? Okay, now it's time to get our annual peeking around the hay bale picture.
Oh.
Please hold. I feel like this hay maze is better than usual. Oh, it's, let's see. Oh, it's getting very thin. Let's go this way.
No.
My broad shoulders, I'm stuck.
Okay, Dad. You just stay there. Wait, this is better because, like, wait, where's Mom?
Where's Mom?
What? Dad? Where's Mom? Uh-oh.
Mom's with that kid.
Mom? Is she this way? Oh, there we go. We found her. Everything's okay. Oh, look, there's where we came in. Don't panic, folks. We found Mom.
I think we already did this part.
We already did this part. Well, then how do you get out, Julianne? Please tell me.
No, we're in a circle. We're going in a circle.
We're going in a circle, folks. Okay, they actually seriously improved this.
Exit, or one exit.
All right, Mom, stay close. I'm pretty sure we already went in this direction.
You can count on me.
Oh my gosh, look at
Count
that.
on me.
All right, do we have everybody? Oh wait, where's Mom? Mom? Oh, there she is. Okay.
Remember they used to have like a tiny little...
They used to have, yeah. Then they decided that was very impractical for adults. Look,
Freedom.
we made it.
Put the animals away over here.
Julianne's scandalized because they took the animals away.
Scandalized?
Not scandalized. What's the correct wording for that? You're very upset. That was better than it usually is. Usually we don't lose Mom like twice. Oh look, there's the train. There's the tires. While you guys are in the creepy store, I'm gonna climb on the tires. Okay, I'm gonna go climb on the tires. Running up that hill. I don't know the rest of the words of the song, but anyway. I'm gonna climb on the tires. I'm gonna run on this tire. Okay. Here is the view of the playground from the tire. Oh, it's so nice. I'm going to see if I can go down one of these tube slides. I might be too big. I'm a little scared. We'll see how this goes. Here we go. Ow. Ow. It's okay. That was interesting. One of the parents was on the playground like with their kid and giving me like a weird look, but that was interesting. Here we are, way up high. Oh, bye family. Bye family. So I hope.
Creepy guy. Oh, sorry.
Thanks, Julian. There's creepy guys.
There's
What are
creepy guys in the corn maze.
Yes, we
No.
know that. Julian's going with some friends to the corn maze at the pumpkin farm on Saturday, and she doesn't like that there are creepy guys in the corn maze. But we didn't go in the corn maze, we went in the hay maze. Anyway.
Sorry.
It's funny. So I hope you enjoyed coming to the pumpkin farm with us. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, hit the little bell notification, and comment if you'd like. And somewhere on the screen, I'm going to put my vlog from last year of us going to the pumpkin farm, and part of that video features my friends carving pumpkins, and I would highly recommend watching that video because my friends are hysterically funny. So yes, enjoy your autumn, friends. Thanks, friends. Bye!